Foxtrot Alpha Montgomery, stand by. Gulfstream 550, you do have the oceanic release. Contact on for taxi. Yep, good to start.
Oceanic release.
Ready to call again. Cirrus 212 Foxtrot Alpha, Van Nuys clearance, advise ready to copy.
Ready to copy, Foxtrot Alpha.
Number 2 Foxtrot Alpha is cleared to the Montgomery Field Airport via the Adam 3 departure. Victor 186. Haley intersection, spelled Victor, correction, spelled Hotel Alpha India Lima Echo. Victor 66, Mission Bay, direct. Maintain 4,000, expect 9,010 minutes after departure. Departure frequency 124.6 and squawk 477 power.
What was the final altitude after 10?
Final altitude will be 9,000 feet in 10 minutes for Cirrus 2 Foxtrot Alpha.
All right, Cirrus 212 Foxtrot Alpha is clear to Montgomery, Adam 3 departure, Victor 186 Haley, Victor 66 Mission Bay, then direct 4,000. We'll expect 9 and 10. Departures on 24.6, squawk 4774.
Number 2 Foxtrot Alpha, read back correct, safe position on the field.
We're at the prop park and taxi out now, 212 Foxtrot Alpha.
Contact ground for taxi.
Contact ground, 212 Foxtrot Alpha.
Foxtrot Alpha, turn right heading 190.
190 to Foxtrot Alpha. So we're getting vectors here. Let's activate
Alaska 531, speed 170 or greater till Rebo, contact San Diego Tower 118.3.
Yes.
170 or greater till Rebo, 18.3, Alaska 531, good day.
Good day.
I know VNAV's not armed, that's fine. We haven't been given a descent yet.
Chad 766, turn right heading 240, intercept the final.
This is going to happen really quickly, so I'm going to do 150 on the flaps. We're below 150, or 50 on the flaps. We're going to do our checklist, fuel pump coming on, increasing that mixture there. Flaps at 50, down and verified, and we'll have the autopilot on for now.
Cirrus 2 Foxtrot Alpha, 2 miles from Nesty, turn right heading 250, maintain 4,000 till established, cleared ILS, or correction, RNAV approach, runway 28 right.
Right 250, maintain 4,000 till established, we clear the RNAV 28 right approach to Foxtrot Alpha.
Speedbird 82 Papa Heavy, reduce speed to 210. You are cleared, localizer approach 27.
Speed 210, cleared, localizer approach 27. Speedbird 82 Papa Heavy.
Chat 766, 2 miles from Nesty, correction from Vida. Maintain 3,800 till established, cleared RNAV Yankee approach 27, speed 170.
Send to 3,800 and it's cleared via the RNAV Yankee 27, speed 180, 766. Or 170 on the speed.
Delta is 11,000, descending via.
November 9240 Delta, SoCal approach, roger. Someone else tried checking in, who was that?
Let's bring us down here.
Speedbird 82 Papa Heavy, reduces speed now 170.
Speed 170, Speedbird 82 Papa Heavy.
Cirrus 2 Foxtrot Alpha, contact Montgomery Tower 11, correction 125.7, 25.7.
25.7, 2 Foxtrot Alpha.
Papa weight 28 right, Cessna 172 Sierra X-ray.
Hey, Montgomery Tower, good afternoon. Cirrus 212 Foxtrot Alpha, RNAV 28 right.
Cirrus 212 Foxtrot Alpha, Montgomery Tower, good afternoon, continue.
Continue 2 Foxtrot Alpha. Continue does not mean clear to land, so we'll just continue
Montgomery
there.
Tower, 77 number Golf, hold short 28 right.
We're a bit high, but we're going to recapture here shortly.
Here, 77 number Golf, Montgomery Tower, roger, hold for release. Hold for release, 7NG. Cessna 3 Yankee Victor, turn left at Mike, cross runway 28 left, then contact ground.
That's Mike, cross 28 left, contact ground, thank you, Victor.
Cessna 172 Sierra X-ray, straight out approved, wind 220 at 11, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
We'll manually
takeoff
fly
28 right, 172 Sierra X-ray.
Our checklist is complete.
Victor traffic
Fuel
and north,
pump,
left face for the parallel, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Little end to right, now.
Cessna 8 Alpha Zulu, base proof on trade out to right side, runway 28 right, clear touch and go.
Traffic in sight, turning base now, 2 right, clear touch and go, 73 Alpha Zulu.
Wind 210 at 9er.
Check on the winds. Final approach, 281, that's set up. Looking good. Turn this power back. All inside. I'm glancing outside every now and again, but all inside here. We're flying this. A lot of needles. Alright, so glide path is captured. I'm going to bug our missed approach altitude, which is 3,000 as we briefed.
Turn left at runway 23, cross runway 28 left, and contact.
We're all hand flying this now.
Left 23, cross
Staying on course.
left, over to ground.
Staying on the needle and keeping our speed between 100 and 110 knots. We're slightly off to the right there. We're correcting. Bring that power back. Don't chase. Small corrections is your friend. Bring that power back.
And 220 at 8, gust 15.
Good to practice this hand flying as much as you can. Autopilot would easily take us down to minimums there, right above the runway if we needed to, but always good to hand fly every now and again. Looking good on the needle, on speed, flaps look good, all of our lights are on as required. Fuel pump mixture looks good. And he told us to continue, no landing clearance yet, so I'll ping him here in a second. And Tower 2 and 2 Foxtrot Alpha, are we clear to land?
2 Foxtrot Alpha, traffic heading through left is for the parallel runway, runway 28 right, clear to land.
28 right, clear to land, 2 Foxtrot Alpha. On the needle, on the speed, looking good. Slightly high, correcting, and slightly to the left, correcting. We got almost a 12 knot crosswind from the left, quartering crosswind. Speed looks good.
500.
500 is checked, caps is no longer available. Looking good. 100, and I'm all outside now. Got the runway. Little gusty. Definitely got a wind from the left.
Minimums.
Continue.
Montgomery Tower, Skyhawk 172 Sierra X-ray, requesting frequency change.
Skyhawk 2 Sierra X-ray, frequency change approved.
Good day, 172 Sierra X-ray.
Okay. Wind 230 at 10.
Alright, idle. Let's let her come down. Watch that wind there from the left. Nice and easy. Aileron into the wind. Braking as necessary.
Cirrus 2, turn left at runway 23, hold short, runway 28 left.
Left 23, hold short, 2 left, 2 Fox Alpha.
Cessna 8 Alpha Zulu, extend down on fire base. I'm hoping to get a release for this king here.
And down when you call.
Alright, we'll hold short here. Flaps up, pitot heat off, mixture is off. Bring the fuel pump is off, I should say, mixture. Looking good. Looking good.
King Air 7 and November Golf.
Alright guys, we're going to call it here. Hope you guys enjoyed that.
Clear for takeoff, 28 right, 7.
That was fun.
November Golf.
Good bit of instrument flying there, good bit of IMC flying there. Great approach.
Cessna 8 Alpha Zulu, base here, scratching, runway 28 right, clear, touch and go.
Definitely enjoyed that. You guys keep the blue side up. Stay safe out there. We'll catch you on the next one. Take care.
And 77 over, clear for takeoff, right? Line up that way.
7 Golf, up from there, runway 2 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, thanks, 7.